Hello everyone, so in this video, we're going to be reviewing the Turbo Shine Nexa bottle. So as you can see, it is a spray for your car. It is a protection paint for your car. It's like a ceramic coating. And as you can see, this one is only available, which is this one, the 3 sets, not the 2 sets. And it costs $17.82 here on Amazon. And as you can see, let's read some of the product description here. Repair scratches and scuff from your car. How to use, after use, contract effects. So as you can see, it's a bit of a coating. As you can see, this is what water does to your glass if it's mixed with cement or dust. It can be very hard to remove right here. And let's see some of the reviews here. And they're actually rated 3.1 out of 5 stars. So the reviews here is 5-star right here. Shining, did not work as expected. Paint protector, hot garbage, scratch remover, polish, doesn't work. Car care. So this product is a bit of a hit or miss. Some people are rating it very good and some people are rating it very bad. So before buying this product, I advise you to do some research, or I advise you to not buy this product at all and buy other different products or that can be more effective and more trustworthy than this one, since this has a lot of negative reviews in the first place. Even though it has good reviews, the bad reviews can really bring it down. And yeah, that is basically it. So if you found this video helpful, please consider liking and subscribing.